Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I have fried up my hamburger. They're so nice and brown up in here. So now the next step is I got a pot. I'm going to put the hamburger meat into the pot, just like that. Set that to the side over there. I'm going to put tomato sauce in there, just like that. Only if you do tomato sauce, you don't have to do a cup and three quarters water. You only do a cup of water. Okay. But they tell you don't have to use the tomato paste. But I like using tomato paste because it kind of thickens it up. It thickens the sauce up. So I'm going to put it in there. Just like that. Take it all out. You know. Like so. So yeah. We got both of them taken care of. Now, with that being said, we're going to add the heat to it. It's medium high. We got our McCormick Zesty spaghetti sauce, powder mix. And we're going to add it in here, just like that. Now, with that being said, once we get all that together, we're going to have to mix it. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix it together, and then we're going to let it come to a boil. And once it comes to a boil and it boil for about five minutes, we're going to put it on the back burner and let it simmer. So we're just stirring it up, getting it mixed up real good, like it should. You got medium high. So when it starts bubbling, basically it's probably ready.